Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we're gonna do the unboxing and testing for this new MediaCom karaoke speaker MCI 424 Plus. Hey everyone, this is Miss Listan. Welcome for another video. Today we're gonna do the testing of this newly purchased MediaCom MCI 424 Plus. From the package included 2 microphones and also remote control plus the auxiliary wire. And of course, because it's rechargeable, it has a charger as well. Each of the microphone has 2 battery. You can put here the AA battery. Also for the remote control, you can put AAA battery. Now let's gonna measure of the height of this speaker. It's 12 inches, guys. I feel like it's a little bit heavier, so let's gonna do the scaling. Now let's check if how many kilo. It's 5 kilograms, but I'm not sure for the weight of this speaker since I have the scale. It's not so accurate, but it's estimated weight. It's 5 kilograms. And these are the buttons here on the top of the speaker. It has a volume, and you can do also this one for from the remote control. There's a handle as well, so you can carry it easily whenever you go outside somewhere in camping or wherever you want to bring this speaker. And this is how it looks like from the back. It has the auxiliary. You can put it here, the wire, and also the microphone wire if you have the microphone wire. Also the turn on and turn off, it's in the back side. So now we're gonna do the testing of the sound of this MCI 424 Plus. Before I purchase this speaker, guys, I feel like I have the confidence that it has a great sound and great quality. So when I have it, let's gonna do the testing right now. So you will also see and listen how it sounds like. I hope you will use your earbuds or if you have the headset so you can also experience the sound quality. By the way, you can order anywhere in the UAE. If you are here in the UAE, you can order from Noon or Amazon or even the website directly from MediaCom. It's the same price. They don't change it. It's around 349 dirhams. You can also pay by Tabi, which is no interest and 4 months installment. Let's go and let's gonna put some battery of the remote control and also the microphone.
You will see.
Jazz, classical, flat, rock, jazz, classical,
You will see.
So far so good for the music. It depends only on your phone connection. Other devices are not too good for this quality. Depends on your phone you're using. Currently, I'm using the Samsung. So guys, what do you think the quality of this sound? For me, most important is the quality of this sound. Let's gonna try a bit of karaoke. I hope there's no copyright on this music. Alright guys, let's gonna try the another option here from the remote. You can click the MPRI. This button guys, you can use when you do hosting in your party or even something like dramatic things while you talk and there is a background music. Let's try this. You can also click the RDL or RDEL if you wanna stop the MPRI. Now let's hear this. Again, I hope there is no copyright, but I know there is. Let's go. From the remote, you can turn on the music. Dear Ate Charo, noong unang panahon, nagkakilala kami ng mga panahon yun. Pero sa paglipas ng panahon ay wala na ang pag-asa at nawala ang lahat ng pinaghirapan. Alright guys, I hope there is no copyright, but I guess yes there is, but it's okay just for all of you to hear how the sound quality of this speaker. So again, the price is around 349 dirhams if you are in the UAE. You can also order in Noon and Amazon, also direct from the website of the MediaCom. But if you want to order directly from my link, you can just go down in my description. If you have any question in this video, just comment down below. And please give us a thumbs up if you find helpful for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you next time. And this is your friend, Miss Listan. Bye for now.